Guys, so what's up you guys, it's Godox for one. So right now you guys, we are going to the bank to open a new account, so that's what we're doing. Right now you guys, we are back from the bank you guys, and we are gonna open some presents. That's what we're doing. Okay, let's go.
Are you in charge of writing things or what are we doing?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Who's this from?
Everything Uncle Jim. And Catherine, Chris and Duncan and Catherine.
Ooh, a tablecloth that's sparkling. Do I turn that light on? We just also got back from camping, so like
most of the stuff is really messy.
Yeah, our house is disgusting.
Tablecloth, cool. Yeah, it kind of needs to be organized afterwards. So.
Oh my god, I can't open this.
Just stick in there. Fine.
Ooh, looks like we got some towels.
Ooh, towels! What kind of towels?
Look, babe, we can roll them up on our shelf that we hung up.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Bat towels. Lots of bat towels. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Wow.
Towel. We're set for towels.
More towels.
Hey, extra large. They know you really well.
I love big towels.
Everyone likes big towels.
Hey, we have one like this. And we have a backup in case it gets dirty.
Yeah.
We could sew them together and make one big one.
Nah.
Okay, well, thank you, Aunt Ruth, Uncle Jim, and everybody.
Yeah, thank you. I'm in salad, tossed salad, and with poppy seed dressing, or sun-dried tomatoes with steak. Guys, look at this sink, you guys. We renovation the sink to make it really cool, but before it was like this color, but we put like some on top to make it look pop out, you guys. Look, and then we also switched the shower curtain, so that's pretty cool. Really amazing. Now we get to do like that, you guys. And see, look, towels up there. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.